Hola Amigos, welcome to Insights. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and turn your notifications on. If you've already been here and haven't yet subscribed, please do it right away and don't forget to press the bell icon so you're notified whenever we come up with more such insightful videos. Product I'm reviewing today is Pure Clay Purifying Gel Wash by Loreal. It's a new addition to their product line. Only after I purchased this, I came to know about two other similar washes that they have. One is the Pure Clay Detoxifying Gel Wash and the Pure Clay Exfoliating Gel Wash. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to come up with a review on those products as well. Now, I literally had no idea about these clay washes. I just found it at the local hypermarket and picked it up. Now, they're priced at 28 SAR or about $8. You can find it online as well. I've linked it down in the description below if you're planning to buy it. Now, talking about the look and feel of the product, it's a nice subtle shade. There was no other packaging. This is how I got it. I'll give you a closer look. I'm not sure if the camera can pick it up. As you can see here, the uppermost part has a mattified feel to it, and this part right here has a see-through packaging, so you know you should stock it up before it's over, which is a really good thing. Now the cap is tight fitted so it doesn't get messy, but let me show you here, it's not sealed, which for me personally is not a good thing. Moving on, it says cleans, purifies, mattifies and contains 3 pure clays plus eucalyptus. So the thing about clays is they're meant to purify and dry out the skin. So in general, clays are especially good for people with oily to combination skin types. Now, talking about the product in here, it contains 150 ml of product, which is quite a good amount. This goes a long way. Behind the product, they've mentioned 3 clays they've used. They are the kaolin, montmorillonite and the soul. I hope I'm pronouncing it the right way. Anyway, so they're meant to absorb impurities, remove excess sebum, eliminate imperfections. I don't really know what imperfections they're talking about. And lastly, to clarify complexion. Not really sure if this is going to perform effectively as it claims. By the way, check this out. It says shine-free skin. So I'm assuming it's specifically more for oily skin types, although it says here, right here, suitable for all skin types. Okay, now let me show you on a closer look the ingredients list. The 2 most prominent ingredients that I noticed are the sodium lauryl sulfate right here and the salicylic acid. SLS is a big no-no. It's an irritant and especially bad for sensitive skin, people who have sensitive skin. Now, salicylic acid, on the other hand, is amazing for acne-prone skin or people with clogged pores. That's about it. Now, as mentioned about its usage tips, you need to take a pea-sized amount and use it twice daily. So you need to wet your face and massage it in a circular motion and wash it off. Okay, now Let me show it to you. Let's see if this gives immediate and visible results. Now I've moisturized the back of my palm. Here it goes. Okay, it's done. Now I'm going to take a pea-sized amount and massage it in a circular motion. When you're doing this, make sure to focus on your T-zone and your problem areas. Okay, so let me wash this and I'll be right back. Once it is washed, I hope you can make out the difference. The shine is definitely gone. It feels less oily, less moisturized. It has absorbed all the excess oil and moisture away. Definitely does what it claims. So I'd not want to discard this product. So for me it is a hit for now. Yes. Now before I wrap up this video, I'll give my top 3 pros and cons. The pros on my list are it's very affordable. A little goes a long way. Second, it contains salicylic acid, like I mentioned, which is really good for people suffering with acne or clogged pores. Now thirdly, it's tightly packed, so it does not spill around and mess up with anything around you. And also, since it has see-through packaging, lets me know if I have to stock it up before it's over. Okay, and moving on, the top 3 cons on my list are it does not come sealed. Secondly, it contains SLS, which is bad for the skin in general. It's better to avoid products with SLS. Now that I've taken it, I need to make use of it. Thirdly and lastly, it's not very travel friendly. It's not convenient. I wish it came up with a smaller size so that I could carry it easily anywhere in my small baggage as well. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't, do let me know in the comment section below. I'd appreciate any feedbacks and inputs, and I'll try my best to use them in my upcoming videos. Until next time, take care. Auf Wiedersehen. Wassalama.